Hello there, beautiful. Are you wondering where to find your next outfit of choice for that beautiful and amazing occasion? Stay tuned and watch. Hello there, gorgeous. Thank you so very much. You'll find 80 plus creative and trending nail design ideas for ladies. You'll find 2025 new nail art design for variations of occasions or outing. You can find simple nail art designs, you can find stylish nail art designs, you can find creative nail art designs, you can find summer style nail art designs. It all depends on what you're looking for or your preference. But of course, right here you find anything you're looking for when it concerns creating very stunning and amazing art when as it relates to your nail. Whether you're going for something short or long that is lengthy, you're certainly going to find beautiful and amazing inspiration. Are you a nail technician wondering what to do for your client? That is the type of creative design to help them look extremely unique and stylish. This video will definitely help them stand out if selected. Any of the style choices right here is absolutely stunning and beautiful. It all depends on how you get it done on your client. And of course, if you're a client, you simply have to take a screenshot of what you prefer or what you like, take it to your favorite nail technician, and it will be done as seen within a picture or inside the picture. Thank you again for watching. We hope you check out our previously uploaded videos as well. Stay tuned to all that we'll be bringing forward to you. Do remember to subscribe. Till tomorrow, you take care and bye. watching this video. Hope you check out the next as well as previous videos. We do really hope you come back for more right here on our channel. You take care and bye.